Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you 5 social media platforms that you can use to build targeted audience and promote Digistore 24 product. First of all, this video is not about get rich quick or find short ways to make money via Digistore 24. But if you have a 1 hour per day to invest to build those social media platforms, you will be able to build long-term affiliate marketing business. So first of all, you have to find a product using Digistore 24 or any other affiliate marketing platform. Basically pick a niche and select a product. There has lot of niche that you can use to build those social media platforms. I already have a video about how to pick a high quality Digistore 24 product. Feel free to watch that video and check the A to Z step. I will put that video link on description. So let's go to today's video. The first social media platform is Facebook group. So I start this Facebook group in last year. Currently it has 11k members and those are targeted members. So I can easily promote related product to those people. But currently I am at growing stage, so I am not focused on promoting anything on this group because I need to maintain the quality of this group. Always try to manage the quality of your group and you will be able to gain lot of group members. So I already have a video about how to build the Facebook group and grow the Facebook group for free. Feel free to check that video. In that video I show you step by step process of build your Facebook group. So link will be on the description. The next social media platform is Facebook page. So I will refresh this Facebook page. Basically I create a Facebook page and attach that Facebook page to this Facebook group. This Facebook page is the admin of my Facebook group. That means I share content on my Facebook group using this Facebook page. So when members of that Facebook group see the content of this Facebook page, they will click on the Facebook page name and they will redirect to this Facebook page. On this Facebook page, I share content related to my Facebook group. So my Facebook group members also like to this Facebook page and follow the Facebook page too. So this is a really awesome way to gain page like and page views. So if you build a Facebook group, always build Facebook page related to that group and share content on the Facebook page. Only you need to share content daily and people will engage with your content and your page will grow automatically. So next social media platform is Pinterest business account. So I will refresh this analytics of my Pinterest business account. I start this Pinterest account in January of 2021 and the engagement and impressions are really great. But recently impressions and engagement was dropped, but I will keep update this Pinterest account and try to grow it. Basically what I did is share my own content and repin other people's content. I have step by step tutorial about how to build a Pinterest account and grow it. Feel free to check that video. Pinterest is a really great way to find targeted audience. Also Pinterest is a search engine, so you can get high engagement easily on Pinterest. Next social media platform is Instagram. So this is one of my Instagram business account. I start this Instagram account in last year and currently I have 2.7k total followers and here is the engagement of this Instagram account. Currently I am not promote any product on this Instagram account, so I get 0 website visit, but I will keep update this Instagram account and I will keep post content on this Instagram account and grow more than 10k followers and start to promote affiliate product. So basically what I did is schedule content for month and engage with the current audience. I already have few videos about build high quality Instagram account and grow it. Actually it takes time to build Instagram profile, but it worth to try. The next social media platform is YouTube. So this is one of my YouTube channel, and it takes me to more than 1.5 years to see this result, and currently it's growing. Basically what I did is share content related to entertainment and find long tail keywords and create videos related to those keywords. So those methods are free to build, and it take only 1 hour per day to get this type of result, but it will take time, so you have to be patient with those social media account and do the consistent work to build them. Also, if you want to find how to promote Digistore 24 product, check the Digistore Academy course and find how to make money via Digistore without any marketing experience or email list. Basically you can get 14 days trial for $1, so feel free to click the first link on description and get this offer. You have to remember all of those social media platforms not belong to you, so you have to build your own email list and build your audience using your email list. Basically, if something happened to your YouTube channel or any of those social media accounts, you can create new account and send emails to your ex's email list and ask them to join with your social media account. So as I told before, this is not a get rich quick scam or easy way to make money online, but if you be consistent and at least dedicate 1 hour per day, you will be able to gain high quality result. So if you like this video, make sure to like it, and if you want this type of content, feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in next time.